A peace rally against drug addiction was held on Saturday, August 24th from Civil Hospital Shillong to Mura entrance in Kindai Lat, which was organized by the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network. In the 2019 report of the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, approximately 2.5 lakh people in Meghalaya were struggling with drug addiction. President of the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, Daniel Stone Lingdaw, expressed concern on the grim situation of drug addiction in the state.
By drug addictions, drug addiction not only people living in urban areas or in the towns, but we have found that in rural areas also, youths have been involved in these things of drug addictions. Come together means we know about the problems of these drugs which have been affected to youth.